say it's better in the Bahamas. And you're here with me. I'm Lucky, the general manager at Sandals Royal Bahamian. As our guests have been telling us over the years, there are a few things that they would have loved to see happen here at our already beautiful resort, and we are currently doing that. Here we are at our main entrance. There's extensive work happening everywhere. We're gonna have all swim-up units built in the Balmoral, so you can just imagine stepping out of your room directly into the pool. This is where we're gonna actually have a coconut grove, and on the other side you're gonna have a Windsor pool. Windsor building, as you can see, there's extensive work happening here. So all the units which are on the ground floor are gonna have this beautiful pool as you step out. So we will make sure we keep you updated as things are progressing around here, and me along with our entire team cannot wait to welcome you back.